Good evening, this is Jan and welcome to my kitchen again. I'm gonna make a beef stew today. I'm gonna use some beer in it. Not just any beer, it's gonna be Imperial Stout from the brand Gulden Draak, Golden Dragon that is. And before I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna have a sip. Oh yeah, that is that typical strong stout flavor, Imperial Stout flavor. Malted barley, also like banana, I taste in there. Here I got the meat, beautiful beef from the shoulder. But first up, it's the vegetables. Celery, 2 stalks. Gonna cut these roughly. A big carrot, I'm not using all, just like about 60% of the carrot. A red onion. And then of course the beef. I'm gonna slice this in big chunks. The seasoning, there's just some salt, sea salt. And black pepper. Gotta mix it thoroughly. Something like this. In a big frying pan, some olive oil. In goes the beef. Onion goes in there as well, plus the celery and the carrot. One more Imperial Stout to glaze the pan and get all the flavors into the stew, into the sauce. Then we need some stock in there. Well, apparently I ran out of beef stock, which is the best thing for a beef stew, but fortunately I had some chicken stock, so that's what I'm using in this case. Plus a couple of nice herbs. I'm using thyme, a very Mediterranean herb. This goes very well with many meats, of course, and rosemary. Also very beautiful fragrant herb. And of course, why not? I'm using some Worcestershire sauce because I happen to like Worcestershire sauce in many dishes, so that's why. The smell of thyme in any dish is amazing. That's like very beautiful. But what I want to say is I want to put some more extra black pepper. Yes, I like it. You know, get more spicy this stew. Plus a little bit of sriracha sauce. My favorite Thai sauce. Quite spicy. Now that everything is cooking, stewing, I'm gonna put the lid on and leave this for about 1 hour at least, maybe some more, maybe some less. I'm gonna check once in a while. This soup has really become a stew, so it's time to plate it up. That's what I'm gonna do. Just for creating this stew, I think I deserve another Imperial Stout. My kind of beer. I'm gonna try my stew. This looks very brown, very dark, very stout kind of stew. Yeah. The beef is incredible. Very tender. Very flavorsome because of all the ingredients, of course. And nice with that celery. Then I'm gonna get a carrot. Nice carrot, braised thoroughly, like it should. That sauce that is extremely, well, yeah, flavorsome, that's what it is, but also like salty because of the use of the stock, of course, the chicken stock in this case. To me, this is a perfect stew. Just a beautiful blending of all the elements, the meat, the vegetables. Especially that collaboration of the beef with the Imperial Stout. Like, yeah, they match, you know, all these flavors. Like a little of that roasted coffee stuff, you know, chocolate maybe even. You could taste in the sauce because of the Imperial Stout. I love that beef. Beautiful. Perfect, really. That beer. I'm going to eat some bread with this because I did not bake potatoes or I don't have mashed potatoes or whatever. But of course you can use this with different kinds of staple foods like potatoes, rice even, bread, any kind of bread. And by the way, you can really taste the flavors of these beautiful herbs, thyme and rosemary in the dish. Plus, what I added, sriracha for extra spice, for the powerful spice experience. Here I got everything in one bite: beef, celery and carrot. Nice. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do. And your beer as well.